Hello, my name is Kim Sauer for EMS Now here at Productronica in Munich. I'm joined today by Karen Moore-Watts. Karen, thank you very much for joining us.
Karen is
from DEK. Now, DEK traditionally has always had a very big presence at Productronica, and this year again you've got a very beautiful stand.
Thank you.
Tell us about what you're exhibiting, what's new.
Well, as always, we're trying to focus on and aiming to focus on the customers and their challenges and ensuring that the things that we promote and show are relevant to those challenges and deliver those solutions.
Mm-hmm.
So primarily what we're focusing on this year is the print lab. So visitors to other shows this year will have seen us promote and talk about our solutions centre, just really focusing on the challenges that customers are facing today. The print lab takes that to the next stage to talk about, okay, what are those challenges that customers are going to be facing in the future, particularly on things like miniaturization and the challenge of aspect ratios. So that's really what we're looking to present here at the show.
So that's a really good concept, because everybody's talking about these issues that are going on, but we haven't, or I haven't really seen anybody taking that lead in actually sitting down with a customer face to face in a structured way. And I suppose that's what Print Lab is all about, getting people to come to you with their issues.
Exactly. And I think we're in a pretty unique position to actually be able to deliver those solutions, because we're not simply manufacturers of platform products for printing. We also have a business that focuses on stencil and screen technologies. But I think our real expertise lies in process know-how. So we've got a really good, talented team of engineers, applications personnel and process personnel that really inherently understand these challenges. So it's not a marketing positioning. It's actually something that has some real depth to it. And these are going to become very, very real challenges. If they aren't there today, they certainly will be there tomorrow.
So how's that set up then? Because obviously it's a global business that you have with a global customer base. Is it in Germany, this lab? Is it a virtual lab, or how's it all set up?
Well, it's conceptually both.
Okay.
So there is the virtual concept, if you like, which is the component that travels.
Mm-hmm.
So we do what we call a lunch and learn program, where it's very specific to individual customers, where we sit and talk about technology and process roadmaps and aligning those to those customer requirements, and then take it to that next level of really trying to solve those solutions with the practical elements of what we can deliver. So that's one component. Here at Productronica, what we've done is invited customers to either send their challenges and issues in before the show, or to bring them directly to the show, so that we can review them directly or as a group. So we've had a couple of those already this morning, which has been excellent. And then the Solutions Centre, which is the kind of challenges of today, it's very much about process, but also products that are available now. So, for example, we've launched here at the show a brand new IPA saturated wipes, almost like in sachets. And that really came about by being very integrated with our customers, this kind of voice of the customer concept. They worked in automotive, they're an automotive manufacturer, and anyone that works in automotive knows those inherent challenges, and they are regularly audited. And one of the issues is with the static. So where traditional wipes are in tubs, what was happening is that each time somebody would take a wipe out of the tub, it was creating static. So we've come with a solution that's actually quite simple but very, very effective.
So instead of in a tub, it's in a sachet. Simple.
Yeah, very simple.
Yeah.
But it came about by understanding and listening to the customer and working together with them. So it's a very simple example.
I suppose that's turning traditional methods of product development or service development on its head, and looking at customer first, and then I suppose developing backwards as to how you can support their problems.
Because there's no good developing or manufacturing stuff just because we can do it. It needs to be because someone requires it, someone's willing to pay for it.
Yeah. So lots of new developments here, obviously, that you're showing at Productronica. What's the roadmap for DEK?
Always focusing on the customer, Kim.
Yeah.
That's our primary roadmap.
Yeah. And I suppose that key focus is what makes the company successful.
Yes, I hope so.
Yeah. So great talking to you. Lovely seeing you.
And you.
Enjoy the show here in Munich. Enjoy the cold weather.
As long as it doesn't rain, I don't mind.
Yeah, or snow.
Or
Usually
snow.
it snows at Productronica. So
That's
great
very
talking
true.
to you, and
And you.
good luck with the rest of the show.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.